Okay, so now we will start with our third animation. Let's create a new composition. We will call it as our main animation comp, and width is 1920, height 180, frame rate is 30, and duration is also 30 seconds, and background color is white color, and simply hit OK. Then go to choose grid and guide option and simply hit on title section. Then hit Control N to create another composition, and we are going to call it as 1 and simply hit OK. And now we will over here start with our animation. Over here, let's delete this stroke, we don't need that. And I'm going to choose, let's say, black color for this, and by holding shift I'm going to create one ellipse. Now select this ellipse, press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point to the center. Go to the Align tab and we are going to choose Align Vertically. Now after that I'm going to select my rounded rectangle tool, and for the color I'm going to choose red and simply hit OK. Then from here to here, like this, I'm going to create one rounded rectangle like this. Then go to the rectangle path one, and over here increase the roundness somewhere around like this. Now select this layer and put behind this black stuff. Now select this layer over here and hit Ctrl D to duplicate it. And now I'll select this third layer. Let's choose white color for this. Now select this layer, go to the fill options and let's delete this fill, and we are going to choose black color for the stroke like this. Now select the shape layer over here, go to the effect and presets panel and search for drop shadow effect to apply, and simply double click to apply this. Distance should be 0 and softness should be 150 and opacity should be 25, and we are to stick with the black color. Now select the shape layer over here and press Ctrl Alt Home. Also select this shape layer, press Ctrl Alt Home. Now select this first layer, second layer, which is with the stroke. Let's go inside this contents rectangle and over rectangle path one. Over here, let's unlink this size, and we will decrease the size from here, and we will decrease the size from here like this. Also, I'll select this shape layer and I'll hit Ctrl D like this. Now select this third layer over here and go to the stroke one options, and we are going to enable this dashes like this, and let's minimize this layer. Now select this layer, go inside this, go to the add menu, and we are going to choose trim path. Go to the trim path and let's make this end value 50 like this, and let's change this offset somewhere around -90. Okay, so we'll get something like this. Now I'm going to select this third layer over here, and go to the add menu. We are going to choose, let's say, trim path. Go to the trim path, and if you increase this offset value, you will get something like this. So let's create one keyframe at offset and go to somewhere around, let's say, 8 seconds maybe, and let's make this one complete rotation. So if you see, you will get something like this, or let's move this a little bit further. Okay, so we'll get a little bit slower animation. Okay, hit U, select this second layer and let's increase the stroke width to 6, somewhere around like this. We'll get something like this. Now select this shape layer, which is this one, hit Ctrl D, select the second layer. I'm going to choose white color for this, press S for scaling option and scale it somewhere around like this. Also select this layer and copy the drop shadow effect, select this white ellipse and hit Ctrl V to apply that drop shadow effect on it. Okay, so this is our shape stuff over here is ready. Now we will add our text. For the text you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose let's say, first of all we'll type 01. Oops, sorry, let's delete this and let's type 01 over here. Increase the size of this text and let's choose white color for it. Now select this, press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point to the center, press V, and let's move this over here. Now after that select this text layer, hit Ctrl D and let's move this over here. We will choose black color, and over here I'm going to type, first of all let's reduce the font size, and then we will type our text. Okay, select this and then let's move this over here. Now select this layer, hit Ctrl D and let's bring this downwards, and let's decrease the font size to 30. Over here let's type another text. okay, like this. Now after creating all of this, we need to animate this also. So let's start with our animation stuff. First of all, we will animate this one over here. So for that, what we can do, we can go to the contents, we can go to the rectangle one, rectangle path,